What's good at Normal Squad? It's your boy Amar and I'm back with another banger video for you. Today we'll be doing a course review of Graham Stephan's YouTube Academy course, and it wouldn't be a Graham Stephan related video if I did not ask you to gently press the like button. But I ain't Graham Stephan, so I'm gonna tell you to beat it like you stole something from me. Sorry. Okay, so when it comes to Graham Stephan's YouTube Academy course, was it a scam? Was it a good investment? I'm going to tell you right after the intro, but I do need you guys to do me a favor and tell me down below, what are your plans for your YouTube channel? Like, what type of content are you looking to push? What type of content are you looking to create? Let me know down in the comment section below just so I could, get a better understanding of what you guys are working with, and so I could check your channel out and, bounce ideas off each other, you know what I'm saying? Anything that I have now is because I worked for it. I literally came from nothing. Take to be great. I swear I give my all. I study Kanye and put the picture on the wall. Okay, let's get right into the video. When it comes to Graham Stephan, I was a Graham Stephan fan before I took the YouTube Academy course. I used to watch his videos on real estate and also his videos on YouTube, probably because I'm in real estate and I was planning on getting into YouTube. So that's probably why. The course is currently being sold on Graham Stephan's Teachable page for $397, and if you don't know, that's $3 shy of $400. Now that's math. In this course, I started seeing similarities between Graham Stephan's previous videos about YouTube, and I started seeing them like intertwined in the YouTube course, and I started to think, okay, Graham, you got me. You're gonna sell me a course with the same information that you have on your YouTube channel and make me pay $400 for it? But then I got further into the course and I started to learn about the YouTube algorithm and SEO and how it all works, and I was like, okay, Graham, okay, you got me. You got me. You thought that I was gonna think that you were posting stuff, the same stuff that you posted on your channel previously, and I paid $400. I got you. I got you. That was a good one. You should have dropped the course on April 1st so you could be like, April Fools, you know what I'm saying? Because that's how I felt at that moment. I do believe the reason I felt that way was because Graham Stephan made this course as kind of like I'm not gonna leave anything out. I'm gonna put every little single detail into this course, just so you can go through the course, and he's really not leaving anything out. He talks about making the videos. He talks about the film quality that he has. He teaches you how to edit the videos. He teaches you everything that you could possibly think of is in this course. He goes real deep on how the YouTube algorithm works and how to use SEO to your advantage. And that was like the mind-blowing moment for me, just because pretty much if I didn't buy this course for anything else, I wanted to learn how the YouTube algorithm worked and how SEO works. And people make videos about it, but nobody really tells you exactly how it works. He even goes deep on what type of camera equipment and what type of lenses you need, and he even gives you a link to his legendary plaque that says "Do epic shit," and that was the deal breaker for me. When he told you where to buy that plaque from, it was worth it at that point. And at this point, I'm like, Graham Stephan is really, really, really smart. Like, he might joke around, but you could tell, even in his videos, you could tell that he's very smart, but it's kind of like he slaps you in the face in this course with things that make you feel like, why did I not think of that? It's so simple, but if it could be the simplest thing in the world, but if you haven't thought of it and you haven't applied it to your videos, then it's not simple. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like he slaps you in the face with hey, do this, and you're like, that's smart. Why didn't I think of that? But that's what this course is for. It's gonna teach you okay, do this, 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 and this, and this, and this is gonna help you grow your course. But at the same time, there was things that were in this course that I didn't even know like even existed. Like I didn't even know. Like I kind of figured that they existed, but I was kind of like I never even like would think to even go to this page, to that page, to this, to do this, and just do this one little thing that's gonna help your channel like skyrocket. Like it's like little things that you wouldn't even think of. In all honesty, in my opinion, I believe that this course was a very, very, very great course. I think that it would be worth buying for anybody that's looking to start a YouTube channel. And I honestly believe that if you're going to start a YouTube channel, I would recommend this course to anybody that is looking to buy a YouTube, or anybody that's looking to start a YouTube channel, just because without this course, you're not really going to be able to grow. I mean, you could grow, like if you think of everything that Stephan had thought about and put into this course. But it's like he did all the hard work for you. You know, he just puts all the information right there in one little file that you can go through from step to step and apply these steps to your channel, and you know, the proof is in the pudding. So to conclude, was this course a scam? Like honestly, was this course a scam? To me, I do not believe that this course is a scam. But I do believe that it could be a scam to anybody that goes through this course and tries to be better than this course, or try to, you know, be smarter than the information that's in this course, because this information that's in this course is already proven. Stephan has already proved it with his channel. He's almost at like 2 million now. You know what I mean? And he's growing every single day. And it's almost like I've taken a lot of courses in my life. I've taken real estate courses, I've took e-commerce courses, I took Amazon FBA courses, I took Shopify courses. I took a lot of courses in my entire life. And what I've learned from taking these courses is that if you try to be smarter than the person that's teaching you in the course, and you say that it doesn't work, it's not because of the course, it's because of you. And a lot of people say, oh, this is a scam. I tried it for 2 days and it didn't work. Or I'm on my second video and I uploaded it and it didn't work. You got to keep applying it over and over and over again. And you have to follow the strategies step by step. Like step by step by step by step. You have to follow the strategies for it to work. And if you don't, you cannot say that this course is a scam. I promise you. If you apply what Stephan is teaching you in this course, I do believe it will help your channel grow. I'm not saying you're going to be at 2 million overnight, but I do believe that the information in this course is good information. I would recommend it to anybody that is looking to start a YouTube channel, and I do believe that this information could help you grow. And I'm so glad that I purchased this course. Shout out to Stephan. Shout out to all his little team of people that are following him. Like, Stephan is actually a really dope creator. I just want to put that out there. I mess with Stephan. I like his video. I like his course. I'm not saying that his course isn't a scam because I'm a fan of Stephan, because honestly, I'm more of a fan of the content that he puts out. You know what I mean? I think Stephan's content is very detailed and I like the strategy that he puts into his work. And I do believe that this course would be good for anybody. I'd highly recommend it. And honestly, I want to give a shout out to Tommy Bryson. I'm going to give a shout out to Tommy Bryson before I end this video. Shout out to Tommy Bryson, because he's an up and coming YouTuber. I think he's at like 130,000 right now. And I started following him. I subscribed to his channel when he was at 99,000 subscribers. And then after that, he just kept going up, 5,000 a day, 10,000 a day. And I mean, he's shooting up there quick. So I want to give a big shout out to him, just because he was the one that told me to get this course. You know, I asked him, did a reaction video to one of his videos, and he had DM'd me on Instagram, was like, yo, buy this course. I feel like this will help you. I can give you some advice, but all the advice is in this course. So I want to give a big shout out to him for referring me to this course, because this course really did help me, and I'm hoping that my channel will grow. It has grown a little bit since I started it, but I haven't really applied the strategies to my channel yet, just because I had just recently finished the course. I went through it within like a day or two. It is a lot of content, but you know, I'm the type of person, I'm gonna sit down, I'm gonna lock in, I'm gonna do it. But big shout out to Stephan, big shout out to Tommy Bryson for referring me to Stephan. And Stephan, if you see this, give a shout out to Tommy Bryson just for referring me to the course. Cause yeah, I mean, I really do appreciate that. But I'm gonna wrap this video up for you. No, it is not a scam. And if it is a scam, it's on you. It's on you. Quit blaming other people for what you do. Take responsibility for your actions. It's on you. All right, I'm out.